So this is the lathe, essentially making projects around the center. Everything that is concentric or should be specifically non-concentric in a known way is done on a lathe. You have
I prefer the term rotational symmetry.
rotational symmetry, or not symmetry, if you need to. And you have the blank inside of the chuck, and a tool which can transform it into the form you need. As any more old school machining device, this only removes material. It unfortunately doesn't add it. So 3 points where you can adjust the position of the tool. First of all, the slide, the cross slide, which moves it across the way of the regular slide, and the top slide, which moves it in any direction you want. There are 2 bolts here, which hold it down, and you can pivot it around the center. This means that although you cannot get a really good and accurate cut with this part, or accurate enough, you can use this thread, which is less coarse, moves easier, and cuts more accurately. To hold the part inside of the chuck, you have a chuck key, and like with the regular drill, you can tighten it, untighten it, and tighten it back up. Make sure you take this out if you don't want it sticking out of your head. So, to turn on the machine, you first manually check that nothing can hit the chuck, or the chuck can hit nothing. And by pulling this lever downstairs, upwards you turn the machine towards you, downwards it turns it away from you. Usually, working with lathe tools, you turn the machine towards you. And so you can cut this way any cylindrical part you need to. That part is the tailstock. Here you can use tools which work on the end part of the machine, the part which you're making. This part here is a live center. That means it has a tip and a bearing inside. You push this tip inside of a hole in a part, it spins together with it and supports your work while you're working, so you can make heavier cuts or more accurate cuts. It has 2 parts, a lever here at the back which locks it from being moved, and a handle here which moves this part in and out. To take out a tool from it, you move it all the way to the back, and the tool with the taper disengages and you can take it out. And you can replace it, for example, with a chuck to drill into the end of your parts. Of course, when drilling, you slowly advance the chuck while the tailstock is locked. To use the center, you lock the movement so that, of course, it doesn't move while you're working. That's it for now.
תודה.